Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So how would you like to start sending free traffic to your offers, whether it's a lead capture page, maybe it's your network marketing presentation, or maybe it's a blog post on your website, or maybe even send traffic to your YouTube channel from your Facebook timeline or Twitter or Instagram stories. Well, in this video, I am going to show you how to drive free traffic to your offers using fun promotional videos that stand out wherever you post them. So if you want to know how to do that, then keep on watching. Alright guys and gals, well thank you so much for watching my video. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright guys and gals, so I love video marketing. I am definitely a YouTuber, that's my thing, and I think videos are fun, and there's really some real creative ways to use videos to drive traffic to your offers. Now, you may or may have not noticed recently, if you are on Facebook, that there are people that have cool videos that have these cool little frames around them, and I'll show you an example of what I mean right now. So I know this may not be the most flattering still shot of Brandon Lucero, which he is a marketer, so I just want to give him a quick shout out. But you may or may have not seen videos like this by Brandon on your timeline. And what this is basically, it is a video wrapper tool. And what it does is it helps your videos stand out on your Facebook timeline, your Instagram stories, even on Twitter, okay? And so he's using it in a very basic way, but it's still very powerful because it stands out. So what he's done is he's basically framed his video around these two bars, if you will, and he's got some bold headlines that once you're scrolling down the timeline, man, they really stand out. So let me go ahead and show you what we're going to set up and learn today. Okay, so this is basically what we're going to learn today, okay? Again, how to drive free traffic to your offers using fun promotional videos that stand out either on your timeline, on your Instagram stories, or even on Twitter, okay? So what you're going to need. You're going to need, number one, a 2 to 3 minute video that is value based. So a couple of ideas are, you could either do a quick demonstration video that arouses curiosity, because you don't want to give people all the answers. You want to arouse the curiosity and then point them to your offer. All right, that's one idea that you can do as a video. A second thing is, let's say you are promoting a webinar. You can answer a probing question like, hey, would you like to generate more leads, sales, and signups for your business? Well, guess what? There is a webinar that's happening this Wednesday night at such and such of a time, and I would love for you to be my guest on that webinar. So if you want to learn how to generate more than 10 to 30 leads per day, etc., using free marketing strategies, click on that link right below this video and go ahead and register for the webinar, right? So that is a promotional video. It's going to send traffic to your webinar registration form, and you can then, invite people to click on your link to actually go register. So that's another idea that you can do, okay? Now, the second thing you're going to need is Canva. You're going to need Canva. I personally use Canva for work. If you have another tool that you want to use, feel free, but I am going to strictly teach Canva because that's the tool that I use. They do have a free version. I am not an affiliate. They don't have an affiliate program, but this is the tool that I use to create my graphics. So I am going to show you how to use a social media template to create graphics for your video. Okay, and then obviously you need an offer or content to point people to. So obviously we want to send people to a capture page, we want to send people to a blog post, we want to send people to a YouTube video, or even if you're in network marketing or an affiliate marketing program, we want to send people to your company presentation. So make sure that you have your offer already ready, and that way it'll help you reverse engineer what kind of video you should create to get people to get to your website, okay? And then of course you're going to need a video wrapper tool, right? You're going to need an actual tool that's going to help you create that kind of video that I shared with you. And I will be using that video wrapper tool in this video demonstration, so you can definitely use the one that I use, and it's included inside of the business membership plan. And And this video wrapper tool just happens to be included inside of the business plan and the customer plan, actually inside of the digital marketing platform that I use to build my business online. So I will share that tool with you in just a second. Okay, so first things first. First, you're going to need a 2 to 3 minute value-based video. So what I'm going to do is, just for fun, makeup is one of my favorite things. And so we're going to use a beauty, someone who has a beauty blog or someone who has a beauty network marketing company as an example. And I'll do other examples in other videos so that it will kind of like jumpstart the creative juices in your brain, because I love to help people do that. So I'm going to use the beauty industry as an example. So if any of you are with a beauty company like Avon, Mary Kay, you know, Senegence, anything like that, and you're looking for a way to drive free traffic to your offers, then pay attention, because this is going to be great. Now remember, I said you need to have a 2 to 3 minute video. Now you can create this yourself, which I highly recommend you do, because if you are in a network marketing company or an affiliate marketing program, you definitely want to brand yourself, start creating authority, and this is a great way to do it. In the example that I showed you with Brandon, he shows his face and he is creating authority, and he is positioning himself as someone to follow and someone to know, like, and trust, so that you end up eventually buying from him, right? So what I've done here is I've basically taken the liberty to go ahead and I downloaded a video from YouTube that is basically, it says how to apply lipstick without a lip liner. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to use this as a promotional video to drive traffic to my beauty blog or to my blog post or to my network marketing beauty presentation, whatever. Okay, so you can go ahead and get ideas on some cool little quick tutorials, demos that you can do with your products, right? And then send that traffic to a capture page. Okay, so this is just, you know, obviously I just downloaded this from YouTube. It's a 3-minute video, but the whole idea is for you to create one of your own, or if your company has promotional videos, you can use those too. But I really highly recommend, most of those, you know, they just focus on the product. They're not really giving you value, like teaching you something. So I highly recommend that you teach people how to do something, do a quick demo that comes from you. That's going to be way more effective. Okay, now we need to create our graphics in Canva, but we need them for our video wrapper tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you the video wrapper tool first, so that we can start seeing why we need to use Canva and specifically the social media template. So let me go ahead and show you the video wrapper tool that I use to create little promotional videos. So I'm logging into my back office of Builderall, which is the digital marketing software platform that I use to build my business. As you can see, we have all kinds of tools here. We've got website builders, funnel builders, we've got autoresponders, design tools, video making tools, webinar tools, and we're going to go directly to the apps section. Okay, so in the app section, we have a lot of cool tools you can use, and let me remind you, it's only $50 a month. Okay, so if you want to actually activate a 7-day free trial to test all these tools yourself, and you know you want to do digital marketing, but you don't have this huge budget to be paying $300, $400 a month in marketing expenses, you want to tinker around and check our tools out, I'll leave a link right below this video. All you have to do is look for my Builderall links inside of my description box and go ahead and activate a 7-day free trial. And not only will you learn about the tools, but you also learn how maybe you can even create an extra income sharing these tools with others. So go ahead and click on that link right below this video to activate your 7-day free trial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the video wrapper tool. So we're just going to go ahead and add a project called Beauty Demo. Alrighty, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come to the pencil. And as you can see, we have a blank canvas to start building our little video wrapper promo video. Okay, now you'll see that it defaults to 1000 and 1000, right? 1000 pixels width by 1000 pixels height. So I've already done a video on how to use a social media Canva template, so I will link that video also down below, but we're going to go into more ideas. Okay, so let me go ahead and open up my Canva. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to come over here to the social media graphic, which is 800 pixels by 800 pixels, okay? And since we're going to have fun today and we're going to go ahead and kind of like do like a beauty kind of themed promo video. So if you are with any of these big network marketing beauty companies like Avon, Mary Kay, maybe you're in Senegence, maybe you are a beauty blogger, you can definitely create something similar to this in your Canva account. Okay, now I do have a disclaimer. I have Canva for Work. You're going to need Canva for Work because the only way that you can create PNG, which are transparent images, is with Canva for Work. You cannot download transparent images with the free version. Canva's only $12.99 a month. And trust me, if you are a solopreneur who is just getting started and you really don't have the budget to outsource to virtual assistants and Fiverr and all these people to create all your graphics for you, and you just want a simple way to get started, then this is definitely going to give you tons of value. I use it every day in my business, and Canva for Work is going to keep you organized and all that cool stuff, okay? So let's go ahead and let me look for something that's beauty related. So I'm going to go ahead and I want to work with this template, okay? So I'm going to go to click on this template, and I'm going to just delete this right away because this is where our video is going to go. So I'm going to click delete, and I'm just going to delete the group, okay? And I love these little lipsticks. They're so cute. Not too crazy about the color, so I'm going to go ahead and just change them, right? Just for fun, we're going to go ahead and change them. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to this color. And you can go ahead and you can change it to whatever color you want, or you can leave it just the way it is. But I already have a design in mind, so I want to get rid of that. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some text. So since my promo video is about, you know, applying lipstick without lip liner, we're going to go ahead and just put that here. So let me go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to put how to apply lipstick without lip liner. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to go ahead and maybe make this a 24. Okay, and then I'm going to pick a cool font, okay? So let's go ahead, and I know right away that I want to use, I believe it's Brusher. Yeah, this is a cool, pretty font. It's very, you know, girly, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. And I'm going to make this a little bigger so it stands out. All right, I really like that. Okay, now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and just add a little subheadline, because remember, this is a promotional video and we want people to visit our website or go to our lead capture page or wherever it is that you want to send them to. So for more beauty tips and tricks, visit, and I'm going to put a generic site, www.mybeautysite.com. Okay, so we're going to put this right here. All right, and I'm going to make this just a little smaller. Okay, now this is why you need transparency, because when we download this, we want these cute little lipsticks to overlay the video. It's going to look so beautiful that it's just going to look like you have like an expensive tool, okay? And you don't, because this is included again inside of the Builderall platform, so you don't have to pay any extra for the video wrapper tool. It's already included, okay? All right, so I want to get a little more fancy. So let's go to the elements section and let's go look for lipsticks. So let's go ahead and click on this lipstick, and we're going to make it small. And I'm going to go ahead and rotate it, because I really love it when these little elements overlap the video. I think it looks so cool. So I want to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and put this here, and I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to bring one to the other side. I'm going to just rotate it like this. And I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to rotate it just a wee bit more. Okay. And I'm going to leave it right here. Okay, and now we're basically ready to download this and use it in our video. I'm going to bring this just a little tad lower like this. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download it. Now, I want to stress that you have to make this a transparent background. That way it will overlay on the video. Otherwise, it won't work, okay? So you need to go ahead, and obviously it's already on PNG, so you want to click transparent background and click on download. And so we'll go ahead and wait for this to prepare my design. Click on save. And now we're going to go back to the video wrapper tool to finish this up. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to wrap this up, and let's go ahead and establish our background color. And I want to make sure that it does contrast the you know, the lipsticks and colors that I already have on here. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to pick yellow. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and save the project really quickly. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the video. So let me go ahead and find that now. All right, now don't worry that it has that it's black here. Once you go ahead and preview it, you'll be able to see the video, okay? So let's go ahead to the next thing, which is the objects, and I'm going to go ahead and add the image that we just created in Canva. All right, so this is why you have to be, it has to be transparent, because if it's not transparent, you can't see the video. So let's go ahead and stretch this out. And that looks so cute. Let's go ahead and stretch it out just a little bit. Now imagine you can do this for fitness. You can do this for a health product. You can do this for basically anything. You know, if you're a photographer, you can put little cameras, anything that matches your brand and is fun, stands out on the timeline, catches people's attention. You can do any of that, okay? And I really love the way this looks. I'm just going to bring this up just a little bit so that it's you know, basically is superimposed on the video. And maybe I'll just go ahead and stretch the video just a little bit more. All right, and I really love the way this looks, and this is going to look so great when we publish it. So let's go ahead and encode the video so we can download it. All right, so now we finished encoding the video, and we can go ahead and actually preview it from here. And I'm going to go ahead and download it really quickly so we can see the full size. And this looks really cute. I mean, it's going to look so cool on your timeline. This is just absolutely adorable, if I do say so myself. So I hope that this video helped you see all the cool things you can create. So if you like this video, go ahead and like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to test out the video wrapper tool yourself, you want to kind of play with the tool, all you have to do is go ahead and look inside my description box and activate a 7-day free trial with Builderall. You can test out their tools, start creating fun videos like this to start driving traffic to your offers. It's a really fun way to drive, you know, passive traffic using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. These videos really pop, and you can have so much fun with them once you start playing around with the power of using Canva for work with its transparent images and our video wrapper tool, which, by the way, is included inside of the membership, which is less than $50 a month. And it's already included. You don't have to go out and buy another tool. So thank you so much for watching. Again, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. So again, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye!